We recently passed the licensure examination for architects last January 2026. And we will be sharing our past experiences with Atlas. So, hi, I'm Aljen, Architect Aljen Marie S. Dalmar, UAP. And in my experience, malaking tulong talaga yung structured lectures and clear explanations ni Atlas while maintaining a friendly environment. So, hindi lang siya about passing. Uh, Na-help niya rin ako to build confidence and discipline throughout the review center with their schedules. Tsaka ramdam mo talaga na may system at direction yung pagkaka-plan or pagkaka-layout ng calendar. So I'm very grateful because this place became more than just a review center. It also became an avenue for building real friendships and connection during my review days. So yung support system we found here made the whole experience lighter. So thank you for guiding us and for being part of this milestone, Atlas.
So ayun guys, hello. I'm architect Christian Ray Angelo Sidano. First of all, ayun. First of all, I can confidently say na ang pagpasok ko sa Atlas CDC was one of my best decision I have ever made. Oo, simulan. At first, I had my doubts, my fears. I even questioned myself kung kaya ko ba talaga to o nabibigla lang ako. Pero Atlas didn't just prepare me academically. Transform niya yung aking mindset. Uh, they even molded me into someone na may confidence at may tiwala sa sarili. Uh, to my mentors and staff, thank you for your dedication, patience, and genuine concern for every student's success. And to the future reviewees, just trust the process. Don't lose hope. Stay disciplined. Yun lang. Hanggang sa muli. Salamat.
I am Renzo Angelos, and I would like to thank Atlas CDC for being the review center I chose. So thank you po na dahil sa Atlas CDC nalaman ko kung alin po yung kailangan lang talaga na reviewin. Tapos doon ko rin po nalaman kung alin yung mga weaknesses na kailangan ko pang malaman po. Thank you din po sa Atlas CDC na kahit papaano medyo human-centered naman po yung interaction at pagturo po nila. Yeah, that's all. Thank you din po na dahil din sa Atlas CDC kahit papaano meron akong mga nakilalang bagong mga kakilala, kaklase, kaibigan, yun po. Thank you po.
Hi guys, I'm Architect John Renzianteta. I'm truly grateful na pinili ko yung Atlas. So, uh, it gave us a comprehensive preparation that not only helped us pass the architecture exam, but also continues to valuable in our professional careers. And sabi nga nila, in Atlas, we got you. Ayun lang. Thank you.
So hi everyone. I'm architect Irvin Mark Catre, and I would like to extend my sincerest appreciation to Atlas Career Development Center for providing a supportive environment for us. The review program materials and most especially the instructors significantly contributed to the strengthening of my knowledge and the exam readiness. Atlas provided me a productive atmosphere that encouraged focus, discipline, and an opportunity to build meaningful professional connections with my fellow reviewees. We are able to successfully pass the architecture board exam with the guidance and preparation we received from them. For that, I am truly grateful. And again, thank you, Atlas.
Hi guys, I am Architect Raven Velasquez, RMP as well. So thank you so much to ATA CDC, our amazing review center, for guiding us and preparing us for our ALE ALE journey this past January 2026 for me, yung pinaka nakatulong sa akin is yung comprehensive books. It was very fundamental on building on how would I track and line up my reviews. So I guess that's one thing that Atlas could be boastful for is yung sa mga materials nila, especially yung mga passionate na instructors namin. I don't wanna mention names, but there are a lot of passionate instructors that help us all throughout the way ng pagre-review. So, we all know that the exam this recent lang was really different, but what can Atlas offer to this to the future ALE takers is yung fundamentals na even though we don't know what would be yung lalabas na exam or yung type ng exam, Atlas will always make you ready for whatever na gagawin ng exam or ng mga examiners. So yun lang. Again, thank you so much, Atlas.
Hi everyone, I'm Architect Darcy Lin Ang, and I'm here to extend my deepest gratitude to Atlas actually because I'm sure I wouldn't have been able to do well in the exam if I didn't enroll here. Like Atlas really prepared us academically, emotionally, and mentally, which is all super important talaga in taking the exam. So ayun, I really recommend Atlas to all the other all the other future architects out there. Yeah. So thank you.
So again, guys, we are very much thankful for our amazing review center, Atlas CDC. There's no more na we can explain pa kasi all is sufficient naman. It is a proof naman na we all pass, especially yung group ng B2. So again, guys, all together, thank you so
Like
much,
and share.
Atlas. Like
Like
Like and share!
Like and share
Yun,
and
thank
subscribe
you.
to our YouTube channel.
Perfect! Bye!
Bye.
Enroll at Atlas CDC Review for a comprehensive prep for the Architecture Board exams. Message us now.